are pleased to show you the 2019 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes with an automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, 4-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, passenger airbag, heated steering wheel. Your new ride is just a phone call away.